Morning, very good morning children. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Had your breakfast? Yes. Very energetic? Yes. Then let us start the class, okay? Please tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 18th. We are in October month. It is 2021. Today it is Monday. Yes. Monday, there is no English, correct? Yes, the golden day. Yes. Nice subject, right? Yes. Then let us see thought for the day. Yes. Life is a question and how we live it is our answer. Life is the question. We don't know in future what may happen, right, in our life. Right, children? Yes. When we are living, right, we are living the life is only answer for the question also. Okay. How we will live according to that only our life also will be moving smoothly. Correct? Yes. Then shall we start? Yes. So take out your the word and I book. Yes. Take out children. Yes. Open page number 14. Yes. We completed lesson 5. Right. Now we will move on to the lesson 6. That is lesson 6. That is my dream. Yes. My dreams. What is your dreams, children? What is your dreams? Yes. You should study well and you should get a good job. And your life should be in a very beautiful way, right? And happily you need to live, right? Like that only everybody will think, right, children? Yes. For that, what you should do? You should work hard. Yes, you should work hard in your studies. Okay? And be a good child. And do the homework, classwork, whatever is there in that day itself. Right? Then what you are doing today, that only in future it will be helpful. Okay, so this day's work you will complete this day itself. Then try to remember whatever all the teachers are teaching you. Okay, whichever subject may be, you have to learn and what daily you need to learn and watch again and again the video. Any doubts you can clear it that day itself. Okay, this way only if you do, then you will be successful in your education field also. Okay, yes. Then take out page number 14. Okay, please take out page number 14. Yes, we will see what is the lesson today. Okay, yes, we want to do many different things. We do we not. We want to do many different things, right, in our life. Do we not. We will not do any work. We will do, right, reading, writing or anything helping. Yes, we are doing our work, right. Without doing work can we be? No, right? We have to do, right? I wanted to be an actor last year. See here, the Hearty is telling. This is the Hearty, right? This is telling. This is telling that I wanted to be an actor. Last year he wanted to be an actor. Who? That Hearty. Okay? Yes, right? But now I want to be a singer. But yes, children. Yes, he wanted to be an actor, who artist, okay. But now I want to be a singer. What it is telling? It is telling now he want to become a singer. Before it was thinking to become an actor. But now it is thinking to become a singer, okay. Our dreams may stay the same or change as we grow. Yes, our dream may change. Yes, it may change or it may not change. It is up to us only, right? It may change because our mindset is different, right? Sometimes we will think differently. Sometimes I will think I want to become a teacher. Sometimes I will think I want to become a dancer, like that. So we will be thinking different way. But at last what will happen, we only don't know. What dreams will come true, we don't know, right? Okay, so we have to dream. Dreaming is good, but we have to achieve it by working hard. Okay? Yes, then next what we have, tick all the things that you want to be when you grow up. Yes, after growing, what you want to become, right, that you should tick. Okay? And see here it is, page number 14. You only should do, this is your homework. Okay? See, a sports person, a singer, an astronaut, an inventor, an artist, a driver, a detective, a business person. Okay, you want to be a sports person, tennis player, cricket player, like that, football player, which you want to become, that you can tick. Okay, then a singer. You want to become a singer? You want to become a singer means you can tick. Or you want to become an astronaut. Astronaut means going to the space and doing research. Okay. An inventor. You want to become an inventor means anything new thing, machines you can invent. Okay, you can make it your own machines like that. That is inventor. Then artist means drawing. Is drawing and coloring and all. And driver. You want to become a driver. You want to become a detective means solving the cases. Is who did murder, who robbed, like that. So that also you can become. Or you want to become a business person, doing any business and earning more lakhs and lakhs like that, which you want to become, that you can tick here. Okay. Then next, think, feel and share. What else do you want to be? Draw it here. It can be anything. Yes. After growing, what you want to become? You want to become a doctor, engineer, whatever you are thinking in your mind, that you can draw here. Okay, yourself you can draw here as a doctor, as a teacher, as a policeman, like that. Any which you want to become, that. Okay, you have to draw this. So these two pages are your homework. Page number 14, page number 15. Okay. Yes, these two is your homework. You have to complete it. Okay. Yes. So today what we learned, nothing about dreams only 2 pages only, right? We have very less, nothing in this, right? What are our dreams? About that only. Dreams means in future what we want to become, or after growing what we want to become, or tomorrow what we should do. These all are our dreams, right? Some people will have some dreams like they want to go to the America, like that, or they want to visit Taj Mahal, like that. Some dreams will be there, right? So that you can think, yes, you may do. So you have to work hard for that. That's it. Okay? Yes. So this is the lesson about dreams. Okay? Yes, we ended this lesson, right, children? Yes, then we will end up the class also. Okay? Yes. Then we will meet you in the next class. Bye. Take care.